Google Pixel Product Reviews. Google Pixel is a line of smartphones developed and marketed by Google. The Pixel phones are known for their high-quality cameras, powerful hardware, and clean software experience. In this essay, we will evaluate the Google Pixel phones, focusing on their design, performance, camera, software, and overall value. Design. The Google Pixel phones have a sleek and modern design, with a clean and minimalist aesthetic. The phones are available in a variety of colors, including black, white, and a limited edition orange color. The phones have a metal and glass construction, with a fingerprint sensor on the back and a USB-C port for charging and data transfer. The phones also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones. Performance. The Google Pixel phones are known for their powerful hardware and smooth performance. The phones are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, with at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The phones also have excellent battery life, with the ability to last all day on a single charge. The phones also support fast charging and wireless charging, which can be convenient for users on the go. Camera. The cameras on the Google Pixel phones are considered some of the best in the market. The phones have a single rear camera, with up to 12.2 megapixels and a f/1.8 aperture. The cameras also have features such as optical image stabilization, phase detection autofocus, and HDR+ technology, which can provide excellent image quality in low light conditions. The phones also have a front-facing camera, with up to 8 megapixels and a f/2.0 aperture, which can be useful for selfies and video calls. Software. The Google Pixel phones run on stock Android, which provides a clean and streamlined software experience. The phones also receive regular software updates and security patches, ensuring that they remain up to date with the latest features and improvements. Additionally, the phones come with Google Assistant, which can be activated by voice or a squeeze of the phone, providing a convenient way to access information and perform tasks. Value. The Google Pixel phones are priced at the premium end of the market, with prices starting at around $700 for the latest model. While this may be considered expensive compared to other smartphones, the Google Pixel phones offer excellent value for money in terms of their hardware, camera, software, and overall performance. Additionally, Google offers a warranty and customer support, which can provide peace of mind and assistance in case of any issues or defects. In conclusion, the Google Pixel phones are excellent smartphones that offer a high-quality camera, powerful hardware, clean software experience, and overall excellent value for money. While they may be priced at the premium end of the market, they provide a level of performance and features that are unmatched by many other smartphones in the market. If you are looking for a high-quality smartphone with a great camera and clean software experience, the Google Pixel phones are an excellent choice. One of the standout features of the Google Pixel phones is their integration with Google's ecosystem. The phones come with pre-installed Google apps, such as Google Maps, Google Photos, and Google Drive, which can be useful for users who rely on these services. Additionally, the phones are compatible with Google's smart home devices, such as Nest thermostats and Google Home speakers, allowing users to control their smart home devices from their phone. Another important aspect of the Google Pixel phones is their security features. The phones come with Google's Titan M security chip, which provides hardware-level security for sensitive data, such as passwords and biometric data.